Did you know that one of the biggest silent threats to men's health is prostate cancer? The issue is that it often develops quietly, and by the time symptoms appear, it may be too late. But what if you could spot the early signs before it becomes serious? Have you ever felt discomfort while urinating, found yourself rushing to the bathroom often, or experienced unexplained pelvic pain? These could be important signals that many men overlook. Recognizing these signs early could save thousands of lives each year. And I encourage you to stay with me until the end of this video, as I will share the early symptoms of prostate cancer that you shouldn't ignore. Your health is worth every moment of this vital information. If you care about your well-being or the health of someone close to you, please keep watching. I'll provide essential details about the initial signs and symptoms of prostate cancer and share a powerful home remedy that can help strengthen your immune system. Prostate cancer is the most common cancer among men, particularly those over 50. The prostate is a small gland located beneath the bladder, playing a critical role in producing part of the semen. The trouble begins when prostate cells start growing uncontrollably, forming tumors. This growth is often slow and silent, which is why it's known as the invisible enemy. The real danger lies in the lack of noticeable symptoms in the early stages. Many men discover something is wrong only when the cancer has advanced, making treatment more difficult and lowering the chances of a cure. However, this doesn't have to be your fate. Identifying the early symptoms of prostate cancer can truly make a difference. Many men confuse these symptoms with common issues like urinary infections or the natural effects of aging. For instance, if you find it hard to start urinating, even when your bladder feels full, or you struggle to hold a steady stream, these could be warning signs. This difficulty may arise because an enlarged prostate presses on the urethra. If you experience this, it's important to see a urologist who can conduct a rectal exam and a PSA blood test. Sometimes, additional imaging like an ultrasound or MRI might be needed to assess the condition of the prostate. Frequent trips to the bathroom, especially at night, can also be a significant symptom. The pressure from an enlarged prostate can cause your bladder to feel full, even when it's not. If you notice this change in urination patterns, don't ignore it. Various tests, including urine tests and ultrasounds, can help determine the underlying cause. Another warning sign is the feeling of an incomplete bladder. If you finish urinating but still feel discomfort, it could indicate a blockage. This sensation can lead to urinary infections, and seeking medical attention can help. Treatment options may include medications to relax the prostate or surgery in more severe cases. Blood in your urine or semen is serious. If you notice any unusual coloration, it's crucial to consult a doctor immediately, as it could indicate internal bleeding. Medical tests like cystoscopy and prostate biopsy will help identify the cause, leading to the right treatment. Persistent pain in the pelvic region, lower back, or hips could suggest that prostate cancer has spread. This type of pain is often deep and may not improve with standard pain relief. It's essential to seek medical evaluation if you experience ongoing discomfort, as imaging tests like CT scans can determine whether cancer has metastasized. Men may also experience erectile dysfunction, which is trouble getting or maintaining an erection. This can be linked to prostate cancer, as the nerves responsible for erections are located near the prostate and may be affected by tumors. If this is a concern, speak to a specialist for evaluation and potential treatment options. Weight loss and fatigue without any clear reason can be concerning signs, indicating that cancer might be spreading. If you experience sudden weight loss or extreme tiredness, it's essential to undergo blood tests and imaging to investigate the situation further. Even if some of these symptoms could relate to non-serious issues, it's important not to wait for them to escalate. The sooner the disease is diagnosed, the better the chances of successful treatment. Regular consultations with your urologist and annual preventive exams are key to maintaining your health, as prevention truly is the best medicine. To further understand prostate cancer, it's crucial to recognize the risk factors that could elevate your chances of developing it. Age is a primary factor. Men over 50 are more susceptible, and the risk increases significantly after age 65. While age is unavoidable, regular checkups can help manage potential risks. A family history of prostate cancer also raises your likelihood of developing the disease. If a close relative, like a father or brother, has had prostate cancer, your chances double, and they increase even more with multiple cases in your family. In such instances, it's wise to begin regular exams earlier, starting at age 40, and consider discussing genetic testing with your doctor for more proactive health management. Certain genetic factors can additionally influence your risk. Specific genes, like BRCA1 and BRCA2, increase the likelihood of prostate cancer, particularly in families with a history of breast and ovarian cancers. If this applies to you, consult your doctor about genetic testing, which can facilitate better monitoring. Your diet plays a critical role in prostate health as well. A diet high in saturated fats and processed foods can contribute to inflammation in the body, which may encourage cancerous growth. Opting for a healthier diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide significant benefits. Foods high in lycopene, such as tomatoes and watermelon, are especially beneficial for prostate health. Leading a sedentary lifestyle can increase the risk of various health issues, including prostate cancer. Making an effort to incorporate regular physical activity, about 30 minutes a day, can help improve your overall health and manage weight. Being overweight is another risk factor tied to more aggressive forms of prostate cancer. Maintaining a balanced diet and an active lifestyle can help control your weight and reduce your risk. It's also important to address habits like excessive alcohol consumption and smoking, both of which are linked to an increased risk of various cancers, including prostate cancer. Limiting alcohol intake and quitting smoking can vastly improve your overall health and reduce cancer risk. Lastly, exposure to toxic chemicals, such as pesticides and heavy metals, can heighten the risk. Proper protective measures and routine health checkups are crucial for those in high-exposure jobs. By adopting a healthier lifestyle through balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and routine medical checkups, you can greatly decrease your risk of developing prostate cancer and improve your overall quality of life. Now that you're aware of the prominent symptoms and risk factors of prostate cancer, let's explore 2 effective home remedies that have been used for generations to support immune health and prostate well-being. The ingredients in these remedies are potent and backed by science for their anti-inflammatory properties. For the first remedy, known as prostate super juice, gather the following ingredients: half a cup of fresh kale leaves, half a cup of fresh spinach leaves, half a cup of sliced carrots, a quarter cup of unsweetened pomegranate juice, a quarter cup of canned diced tomatoes with their juice, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of water. Blend all these ingredients in a high-speed blender until smooth, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Serve it immediately for a refreshing, healthful drink. Another fantastic option is the anti-inflammatory carrot apple juice. You'll need 1 cup of diced sweet apple, unpeeled, such as Pink Lady, half a cup of sliced carrots, a quarter cup of fresh orange juice, a piece of peeled fresh ginger root, about a quarter teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a quarter cup of water. Again, blend all the ingredients until smooth for 1 to 2 minutes, then serve it cold. Incorporating these juices into your routine can be a delicious and effective way to support your prostate health and overall well-being. These natural remedies are just one of the powerful recipes nature offers us. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You now know how to spot the first signs of prostate cancer, understand the main risk factors, and have discovered 2 powerful home remedy recipes to bolster your immune system and protect your health. This knowledge can truly save lives, so don't hesitate to apply it. I'd love to hear your feedback, so please give a rating from 1 to 10 in the comments and let me know where you're watching from. Join our health movement by commenting "Life is sacred" or "I am light and healing" to share in spreading positive messages. Lastly, don't miss my upcoming video on a vitamin that offers significant benefits for prostate health. You won't want to miss the valuable insights, so click on the video now. Take care of your health, and until next time.